Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're looking at the Milwaukee 2867-20 1-inch drive. And so check the video description. I have a full review on this one. Also, kind of looking at the different batteries, the non-forged HD versus the forged battery. And also reviews on the socket sets, which we'll be using today, the oversized ones. These are half-inch drive. And so with these, in order to use this impact, we are going to have to use quite the combination of reducers. So, a 32 millimeter is still just slightly too large. 1 1/4 is just about perfect on there. Unfortunately with this is a 1-inch drive that we have to reduce down to a 3/4 and do a 3/4 down to a 1/2 inch. So we'll give this one a shot, but we're on loosen. Here we go. Ready? Woohoo! Smoke it. Take that right off. Now, next we're going to compare it to a 1/2 inch drive, and of course that's the difference. It's not really Milwaukee versus DeWalt here, but this will show you the difference of the 1-inch drive's power. So, DeWalt. It'll take it. There you go. Takes a little longer. Because it burns up the...
That's why the other one smoked so hard, because it
did
that in a split second.
So hopefully you enjoyed the video comparison. Please check the video description. I have a full playlist with detailed reviews and specifications and everything like that. Check the video description for all that. We'll see you on the next video. Thanks, guys.